Hello and good morning. We're in week 8. Today is Thursday, and we're still doing substitution. Now, you may have a test next week, Chapter 3. Let's take a look here. And by the way, if you do not have a test grade for Chapter 1 or 2, you're going to have to retest. And the retest day is next Wednesday online. Okay, let's take a look here. This one already has y by itself, so I'm going to take all of this and substitute for the y. I'm going to distribute, put 2 hook marks here. Okay, at this point, I'm going to combine this and get a negative 20. I'm going to subtract 33 from both sides. So that's going to give me a negative 40, I think, here. 2 negatives make a positive, so x equals 2. Now I'm going to plug it in right here where the circle is. So that's 6 times 2 is 12, minus 11 is 1. So number 1 is done. And by the way, this is number 1 on your worksheet today. Make sure you rework it. Number 2. Number 2 already has y done. So you're already halfway done. Now you're going to take this negative 2 and plug it in for the y. So scratch this out. This becomes a double negative, that's a plus. And now you want to subtract 6 and divide by 4 and you get 3. Okay, last one's a little harder. This is not a good choice, not a good choice, not a good choice. This is the one you want right here. So what you want to do is add 2y to both sides. Substitute all of this in place of that x. Do not plug it into the same equation. So you're going to get negative 7. Okay, I'm getting closer. Distribute, put 2 little arcs here. Let's see where we are. This and this gives me a negative 16. Add 77 to both sides. When you add 77, that looks like 64, I think. Be careful with your signs. I think that's a negative 4. So y is a negative 4. And let's find x. So here's x. There's a circle. So scratch this out, put negative 4 here. That becomes a negative 8. Plus 11, that gives you 3. And that's how you do today's work. If you can't be with us, here's the worksheet. You can pause the video and copy down whatever you need to copy down. Okay? The answers are there. This one and this one. This one you can't really see, so we'll skip that one. I'm not sure why it's not scanning. All right, so that's it. That's all we're doing today. And for geometry, let's talk about that. Now, geometry yesterday, a lot of kids were taking the pSAT, so we're going to redo or go back over that lesson from yesterday, and I have a worksheet. So go back to yesterday, which was 10:14. Okay? All right, have a good day.